Hi guys, my name is Big Boss and I don't show again. Hope so on live jollof. Okay, three mistakes women dey always do when they in love. Now on tweet for this video. I don't observe what time and time again. Say the moment women don't in love, start to do some little mistakes here and there. And these little mistakes will come back on one time. Now three we go take for this my video. The first one, then be phone call. I say man, you meet this girl, you rapper, toaster, talk, yarn her, everything work out. She accept your proposal, you screen her, everything work out, your love start. The next thing say make you consolidate on your love na lie. Come dey give her hand. Come dey fall her hand yourself by yourself. This falling hand na be waiting phone call. You go see guy man or you go see man just to show say him dey in love. You start to dey bombard woman with call. Supposed to be the opposite, but now you dey bombard her with call. For example, let me give you example. You go see in the morning, you go get up 6:30 to 7. You don't hit her up. Hey babe, how you doing now? How was your night? Hope you slept like a baby. I hope here's wishing you the best of the day. Yes. So I just say my car hit you up, my call you, my just greet you, my find out how you did today this morning. See the first fuck up. Second fuck up in the afternoon. Excuse me. We'll hit her up again. So call her. Hi babe, how you did now? I say man just check on you. How is your day going? You don't eat? What kind of thing be that? What do you eat? If you say rice. Oh, that's nice. Good. You took it with beef or fish. You will give reply. Please, I hope you took enough water. I don't want to see you being slim. Yes, I beg. Try to take enough water. Say body need water. Rat. Meanwhile, you even touch water for your mouth since morning. I eat breakfast. Now na lunch period again. We don't enter 0 in the morning. Na 0 you do. After night, you don't become under 0. You don't know whether this girl don't even eat breakfast. Now na lunch level she did now. They hit her up. They pester her life. In the night again, maybe 9:30, you don't give her a call again. Hello, my dear. I'm calling you just to wish you a sweet night rest. I want to wish you good night. Please, dream of us, me and you. Dream of you and her for this level where we day of hunger. For this level where we day 2024. Which can dream of you? You see, simply you don't pester her life. She fit oblige you 1, 2, 3, 4 times. But if you don't see like say your own na story master, choir master, you go see that she don't avoid your call. And you simply just give her enough expo to show say number 1, na agbero you be. Number 2, you no get work, you know the hustle. Number 4, it means say you are not reliable. And the last one be say you are not responsible at all. She no fit depend on you. If problem come for her, nothing for her. Ganya, no fit assist. And women of nowadays, na lie you. Because love dey go with money. That will matter. You need to give a good impression about yourself. That's what matter. So I beg, men, this mistake don't do too often. Na stop her, no good. They scatter parade. Number 2 mistake women they do when they're in love. And be that of spending money for woman. Go see guy man no get work. You no get work now, no dey go anywhere, or maybe myself they live with him papa, mama, sister, and brother for house. He himself then they feed him. Then they feed you for house and you want package woman. How you go work? Now you can't go out of your way. Borrow here, borrow there, borrow center, borrow right, do this one. They get no request, she request, no request. You carry money, where you hard earn money, they give her. Maybe the girl comes to say you be live maga. She can't obtain you today. So. Tomorrow, so. Next tomorrow, blah blah blah. She can't obtain you. You kuma, you can't turn to IMF. Mr. Arranger. Even better food, you never chop. Can't give this girl money. And meanwhile, the main other guys which this girl they hang out with, they know they give her pepper like you. But now they benefit from the farm. You come the pose, nice guy, cool guy, money things, money they work with love. Yes, money they work with love, but now for level. No be just say you just can't dey dole am out. Even yourself, the money no come do you. That's the funniest thing wey guys I don't see guys dey do. Even the money when they take, they organize, they risk am, they go look for this money, they give this girl left and right. The money no even do them. They don't even get am. They no fit chop the money. Babe ask you for money, you know fit you know fit package her. My dear, look, I don't have now. When I have, I'll give it to you. Or, for example, you have 10 naira and she's asking for money. Give her maybe what you know you can afford from the money. So they spending money for girl 24/7 thinking say she go love you. My guy, you go fall her hand. Oh. Yes. And you go learn the hard way. I swear to God, the hard way. Allah. So this one are the number 2 reason. The last one where I like to talk about now be this issue of always being with woman all the time. You go see man when he don't dey in love, you no get any work. But today they around the girl 24 hours. In the morning you dey their place, in the afternoon you dey their place, in the night they are place. If you even spend straight non-stop 5 hours, they talk. What you dey talk for mouth? Where they sweet you? Wetin you dey discuss wey sweet you, sweet you dey talk am? E no good. E no good. The more you talk, the girl go see you say, man, you no get work. You no dey reliable. You no get anything to do. And then you come turn to Mr. Bodyguard. My mama won't send her. Go here, go there. You go don't run, come. Follow her. You think say that one no go make guys toast her? You think that one go make people no arrange her? Let me tell you. Every woman where you know we get guy don't get replacement for every guy. Let me tell you that go take it to the bank, bed Niger. Women don't stay like that. They have replacement for us. I'm telling you, stand by because of security. So even if you like, deal with her like shadow. Now you follow one of this your escort here, escort there, go here, go here. Say they do better. The people know how you with her. Now one car park, talk to her, give her phone, collect phone number for your front. She say, excuse me, you get collect phone number. Tell us okay to I'll give you a hit. I'll call you back. Before you know the next day, the guy don't show face for an area. Don't they carry her for motor? When she come to my baby, I dey come wait for me for outside. They come. She don't work her. Now you won't be Mr. Woman rapper. Now you won't be. No be trouble to make it aware. What enjoy rapper. So if you do this one, you do for this level, man, guys. This mistake, I swear. Nah, final. Finish, don't seal, discharge. Beg. Now I won't make na get respect for my face. Make na stop this mistake when I do. No go help now. I tell you. My name na Big Boss. Make una subscribe, like, share with my guys, G's and Bubbles. Yes, I dey come out again with another video. Bye.